Girl, are y'all excited? I'm excited. Welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. Subscribe while you're here, poo. Y'all, I'm so excited because we are finna start preparing for my 22nd birthday trip. Your girl's going to Vegas. We finna go see my man, and I gotta get cute to see him. So yeah, we finna get hair done, nails done, toes done, lashes done, brows done. Y'all know the whole 9 yards. Y'all know I love to bring y'all with me for a little maintenance while the transformation be something serious. And my lashes, like, they're already done, but I do need to feel. My hair is not done at all. My toes looking, let's just say it's overdue. So I'm so excited. The first thing that we finna do is go ahead and get these toes done, because like I said, girl, they need to be done. I'm finna go get these toes done. I think I'm just gonna do like a real chill French pedi, but I'm kind of thinking about doing chrome tips instead. I never been to this nail salon before. Well, I have, but I didn't get my toes done here. Somebody told me that they do good, and when they did my friend's nails, I think they did okay. So plus these my toes, so if they mess up, it's not that bad. But I literally don't have time to get my toes done tomorrow because my flight leaves tomorrow. We have a little over 24 hours to get ready. So as always, we're doing things last minute. I have my toes tonight, gotta wash my hair tonight, I'm gonna pack tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to get my hair done, my lashes done, my brows done, and then my flight leaves at 6:40 tomorrow. So my anxiety already be out the roof, and for some reason I keep doing this to myself, but it be working. That's why I keep procrastinating. I always come through for myself, so that's why I keep doing it. But yeah, girl, let's go get these toes done. It was like 10 people ahead of me, and I'd never wait for appointments. Like, I'm the most impatient person ever, and lately for my nail appointments, I go like as soon as they open, so I never have to wait. I seen that, I was like, yeah, let me go, because I'm not even finna do that. I am still on the clock, I'm still on the schedule. Like, my time is valuable, your time is valuable. Don't waste your time. You might could wait on food, that's about the only thing we're waiting on, but a man, never. An appointment, never. We don't wait for nothing, okay?
Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big, deep energy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy.
What are you gonna be? What are you going to be?
What do you mean? I just want to do YouTube, like.
Yes, that?
Yeah.
Ah.
You
You want to be a model? You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Be in contestant. Be miss something.
I used to do pageants when I was little. I don't do it no more.
No more?
No
Too
more.
much.
Yeah, too much.
Too much.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You want to silver like this, baby?
You just do it like, I don't like that.
You don't want it?
You can do it like that. It's fine. Alright, y'all, so we are in Novi's playroom because I'm finna start packing up my clothes. I literally have all my outfits like laid out on the floor so I could like get a visual picture because I'm really like a visual person. And I have all of my outfits, but like literally I have none of my accessories. I sent them to my old apartment because it get Amazon stuff faster, but now they acting like they want to get my packages. So they didn't want to get my packages, or I'm gonna say they stole them and get my money back. I was gonna be kind of bummed if I didn't get like all my accessories, but I'm not gonna trip about it too much anymore because it is what it is. If it's meant to be, then I have my accessories. If not, it's okay. I'll wing it. The outfits that like I really need the accessories for, I'm not even sure that I'm gonna wear them for real. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all the outfits that I have laid out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. I did order a new like suitcase set because my pink Juicy Couture suitcase, it's like getting really, really beat up, and so I ordered a new cute like black marble set. It is so cute, and it was supposed to be here today, but it did not deliver. So I'm gonna be using a Nova suitcase. It's this over here. It's really, really big. My mama bought it for Nova because it hasn't been used yet, and I need a suitcase. We're just gonna use this, and I do have a lot of stuff. Like, I'm literally only gonna be going from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and we come back on Tuesday, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 outfits. So yeah, I definitely overpacked, so I need that big bag. But yeah, let me show you the outfits. All right, so this blue body set is what I'm gonna wear to the airport tomorrow. It actually might match the suitcase. This pink, that's a pink skims dress. I don't know if I'm gonna use that bag or the Jocko Mess bag, but I'm gonna use one of those for when I go shopping. I got this Ed Hardy tank dress to go with this Ed Hardy fanny and Ed Hardy size, and I got like some little gold bangles and necklaces to go with it. And I'm gonna put my Wait a Minute swimsuit underneath that because I think I'm gonna wear that when we go to the pool. This is just like an extra club outfit. I don't wear this dress for a photo shoot, but I didn't wear it out. And I had these little blue heels from H&M. My friend literally wore this dress and I was just obsessed with it. So I got this just to wear like if we go to the club, or like a cute little dressy vibe. This is like an extra chill outfit. This is just like a little body set, but this one's like a charcoal color. And I literally have no shoes to match with it, but I did my Yeezy slides if I end up wearing that. Then I got this cute pretty little thing set. It's like a skirt and a jacket, and I'm wearing that white crop top, silver tail fizzy shade. BDAYs, Yeezy analogs. Then I have this really cute dressy outfit. It's like this white Zara top, silver Zara jeans, this silver bag from Urban Outfitters. These are my Lorvay gym shades, but I haven't taken them out the package yet. And then I'll probably do that. I don't know which bag. And then I have my concert fit to suit my man. I don't know if I'm gonna do this head wrap or not. I ordered a bag to go with the head wrap. So if I get the bag, then I will do the bag with the head wrap. But if not, I'll just do this cage bag, especially if they have like a clear bag policy. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do these Jordans. I'm probably just end up doing my Ricks because I feel like it goes with the vibe better. And then my last little chill fit is this Skims outdoor set with my black little Yeezys, and I did the corset, jacket, and leggings. So these are all my outfits. And we finna pack. It's literally like 11 o'clock and I was supposed to be going to sleep at 11 because I had to get up at like 6 to get dressed, leave for my hair appointment on time. But now I'm just not gonna have that many hours of sleep, but it's okay. As long as I like make it to the airport. Look how tall she is. Yeah, this is probably gonna be the only bag that I need, like literally.
Ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, let it call me cashes. Run you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you do me in the past tense. I ain't no junkie style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my habits unchanged? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me.
Alright y'all, so we in my bathroom now because I have to pack like my hygiene stuff, and like a lot of it I won't be able to pack until tomorrow morning since I gotta like wash in the morning. But I don't know though, because I actually got a lot of my body washes and stuff in travel size, so I don't know. I'm getting a wig, and it's gonna be my first time with a wig in a long time. In a very long time. So I'm trying to remember everything that I need to do a wig. I'm gonna bring 2 types of edge control. I'm gonna bring this Eben, however you say it, because that's what I've been using lately. And I'm also gonna bring Got to Be Glued. I know it kind of get a little chalky, but it's just tried and true. I'm also gonna bring this little pomade edge booster stick to make sure that I don't have no flyaways. I think I'm bringing hairspray since I'm gonna be in Vegas and I know it's gonna be hot. But I don't know what kind of hair I'm gonna get because I keep changing my mind. But I'm just gonna bring some heat protectant. I should not be bringing all this, right? This is a little too much, right? I don't want to bring a crimper because I just feel like that's too much. Definitely need my flat iron. I'm thinking about bringing this thingy, and I'm thinking about bringing my wand. But I can't bring my wand and my crimper. That's just too much. Obviously need a paddle brush to like detangle, and then fine tooth comb, chaser comb. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this because I know I'm gonna need it. Bring this brush to sleek anything down, and I think that should be all I need for hair. I just really feel like I'm gonna forget something for hair because I haven't done my hair like with a wig in so long, and I'm not even gonna be able to fit my flat iron and all that in there. But so I showed y'all this in one of my videos when I went to Florida. My mama got me this. So whatever toiletries I can't fit in my toiletry bag, I'm just gonna put them in here. All right y'all, so I finished packing pretty much. I already packed up all my clothes, undergarments, shoes, accessories. The accessories I already have. The only thing that I didn't, let me close this door. But yeah, so the only thing that I didn't really finish packing yet was my hygiene stuff because I still have to get ready. But I did pretty much pack. I'm gonna show you how my suitcase looks right now. Low-key scared it's not gonna close, but hopefully it does. So this is how my suitcase looks right now. This is a toiletry bag. These are my little laundry bags. I'm gonna put some PJs right there. This is my other toiletry bag. All the rest of my body care is gonna go in there basically. Bras, purses. Y'all seen I packed my little clothes into little things. I put all my hair stuff over here, and I got my socks and underwear, and then my shoes are on the other side. So that's how I'm looking right now. It's basically gonna be the same thing, but this is just gonna be a little bit more packed. I think if I like lay it right, everything should close. I don't know, we'll see. I'm finna go ahead and wash up, but I don't want my hair to get mad in the morning. I don't know, I might just wake up super early in the morning. That's what I think I'm gonna do because I really am ready to go to sleep. And if I wash tonight, then my hair is gonna be super matted in the morning, and it's just gonna be like take me longer to blow dry it. So we're just gonna wake up at like, should I say 5 o'clock, 5:30? No, 5 o'clock or 4:30. And it's literally like already, I wanna say 12, almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna take my pony out, let my hair breathe. It's been a chaotic day. That's it for tonight. We got our toes done. I did not show my toes, so I'm gonna show my toes because we gotta see if they giving or not. I feel like they're not giving. At first I was like, I'm just gonna do a regular French tip, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna do a chrome French tip because that's how most of my outfits are, and I just like it's the vibe. I think I went wrong. And then I did like a paint color. Okay, so first things first, Let's not get into the rest stuff on my feet. Nova got whatchamacallit, I think some lipstick in my shoes, and I didn't realize it until like I was already at work. So that's why my foot is red. Some of it did come off when she was doing my pedicure. Like, I don't know, I just don't feel like they look crisp like they should. Can y'all see? Definitely feel like my toes could have been better, but at this point it's just like they're done and they're decent so that I can like go out with them. But yeah, if I had more time, I definitely probably would get them redone, but I don't spend the money and I really don't have no time to get them done. So we're just gonna rock with these, even though I'm not the biggest fan of them. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow's better with the maintenance. Hopefully I get back on track tomorrow, because I feel like today I'm all over the place, very much strained, very much tired, and I don't feel like anything went like how I planned for it to go. So hopefully tomorrow's more smooth. I'm just ready to go on vacation at this point and enjoy myself. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, it's when you out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of cracking? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I literally woke up at like 5 in the morning because I just decided that I was too tired to wash my hair last night. So I woke up at 5 this morning, washed my hair, shaved, got dressed, finished packing up my suitcase and left. And then y'all seen that I went to Starbucks, and I knew, like, I realized that I was like way closer to my hairstylist's house than what I thought. So I was like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and edit a little bit because I really want to get this vlog out for y'all like literally tomorrow. And so I went to the Starbucks and I'm like recording me in Starbucks as I always do. I was sitting there trying to record, get like a cute little aesthetic montage, and now that I think about it, I don't even know if I got the shot that I was hoping to get, because the little lady, she came up, she was like, you can't record. I'm like, are you serious? I didn't say that, but that's literally how I was looking. Like, I learned that about myself. I thought like I had a poker face, but I really don't. And you can see my emotions on my face. She said something about we can't have our baristas recorded. I said, I'm not recording them. They're not in the shot. She was like, well, we just move around so much, you're gonna be in the shot. Literally, nobody was in the shot. And I'm literally like, I didn't see not one of them seem uncomfortable. I don't know if she was trying to just protect them or if she was just trying to be a Karen and just be aggravating. And I was gonna be like, you know what, let me just leave because she got me mad. But I was like, girl, fuck that, get your editing done. And I sat right there until it was time for me to come to my appointment, and I edited my video. So now she can feel uncomfortable. Because what was your reason? What was your point? Like, I literally never go in a place recording trying to record other people. But like, I don't know, I don't like the way she said it. But yeah, y'all seen I went to Starbucks. I got me a ham and Swiss croissant. If y'all know, y'all know. And then I got me a little coffee. I ain't gonna lie though, I don't like how they mixed it. Like, it's not hitting. And I literally went in there with my hair like this, because you know you can't have no product on your hair when you get your hair done. So yeah, I went in there just like this, and I was like, I don't give a fuck because I'm finna get cute anyways. But I literally just put up to my hair appointment. So let's go get this hair done. I'm super excited, and yeah.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. Want us to make it. I'll trade it all
Alright y'all, so I just finished getting my hair done. It looks so good. I was gonna change my mind about getting this hairstyle, but I'm so glad that I got it because it's gonna look so cute with my outfits. And the lady after me who came in, she was like, it looks so natural, like it's really giving. It's so cute and it's so different than anything I ever tried before. So I love it. I realized I don't have a bonnet, so I gotta go to the hair store and get me a bonnet because I gotta make sure this looks in tip-top shape. But it's like a 3-part with the little bangs on the side, and the bangs are like cut. It's giving very much Y2K, but it's gonna look so cute in my fits. Like, yeah. So I'm finna go get my lashes done, but my camera battery is dead, so I might not be able to record like the beginning of the appointment, but it should be charged by the end of the appointment so I can show y'all at least the after or whatever. But this is how they looking now. They really don't look that bad. I'm supposed to get my brows done too, I think, but yeah, the hair is hella cute. And she gave me a 26-inch wig instead of a 24-inch because she ran out of 24 inches. My girl been selling out of wigs, and I see why. It's like so, I told her it feel like a feather, like so smooth, it's so long, so silky, it straightens so well, it looks hella natural. This is my hair, period. I feel like I can't think of her name, but in Baby Boy, I feel like I look like Yvette from Baby Boy. Like, I'm really giving that. Or like the mama. That's who I look like the mama from Baby Boy. That's what it's giving. But yeah, real cute with it. Don't play. Yeah. Y'all, I look so cute. Yeah, Vegas, get ready. Because here I come, okay? Oh.
I'm so into you, I can barely
we at the airport. I didn't talk to y'all after I got my lashes and my brows done, but she did like a, what do you call it, a lifted brow, and it looks so good with my hair. She said she want to do something to match my hair, and it's so cute. Like, I'm really getting body, and my lashes full. Period. But yeah, so me and my cousin in the airport, we didn't check in everything. We get Chick-fil-A. I ate tropical smoothie, so I'm just getting something to drink. But we are on the way, and we got here like 5:30, and we went through check-in and security so quick. Like, it is not busy today at all. Like I thought, no, like it's literally not busy whatsoever. So I might start flying out on Saturdays because, babe, it's literally empty here, empty. But yeah, I got him some Cinnabon, and then he said he wants some Chick-fil-A. And he on the same type of time. He brought us a bottle, but we ain't got no chaser, so we ain't drunk it on the way here. But when we get to the hotel, we're getting Fat Tuesday, and it's gonna be lit. Like, that's how I love my cousin, because he be on the same type of time as me. I still put my nails on. That's what I'm gonna do right now. This is the set I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. All right, y'all, I finished my nails. I didn't realize they were like clear, like translucent. So this hand ain't perfect, but this hand looks way better, so this is gonna be the hand I take pictures with. I love how I did that in the airport and saved some time and was like multitasking while I'm waiting for us to board. Like, yeah, like I tell y'all, if y'all gonna be doing press-ons, y'all need to start doing press-ons because it'll save you a lot of time and money, and you get to choose your own design. So it's just really practical. And then when your nail fall off or it break or something, you could just replace it because it come with like extra nails and stuff. But it's a cute little set. It'll do. I definitely gotta clean it up. I wish I had some nail polish remover, but it'll come off eventually, hopefully. But yeah, y'all, that's really everything I had to do. I got my hair done, lashes and brows done, nails done, my toes done. Y'all packed with me. We at the airport now, finna head out. I'm definitely gonna shout out like us taking off and stuff, but that's really all the maintenance that we need to get done. I feel real cute and got excited to come to Vegas with me. I'll make sure y'all stay tuned for the vlog because it's gonna be coming very, very soon. I'm so excited to go. We just said we want to eat good, get drunk, have fun, shop, concert. Like, it's just gonna be lit. So make sure y'all tune in for that vlog. I look really, really cute. If y'all like my look, let me know in the comments because I'm really digging it. It's something different than I tried ever. And this is my first wig in like 6 months, almost 6 months, so it's been a while. But she's back, the body is rock, period. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever we taking off. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Yeah, but my friend, he at the Chick-fil-A, can I call him? He on a flight with me. He literally got, I'm about to call him right now. Yeah, tell him to hurry up.
16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, all my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna Audi, I'ma lift off. All your bitches do Pilates when you rich dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off.